Welcome to WealthWise Summaries. Today, we're delving into The Laws of Human Nature by Robert Greene. This insightful book offers a deep dive into the mechanisms driving human behavior and emotions. Greene, known for his works on power, strategy, and seduction, now turns his attention to understanding the underlying forces of human nature. Join us as we explore Greene's profound insights into empathy, social interactions, and the self, providing you with the tools to better understand yourself and others. Part 1. Uncovering the Laws. The Law of Irrationality. Greene begins by exploring how emotions influence our decisions. He discusses the importance of self-awareness in recognizing and controlling emotional responses. The Law of Narcissism. This section covers the natural human tendency towards narcissism and the importance of balancing self-love with empathy and understanding of others. Part 2. Understanding people. The Laws of Role-Playing and Compulsive Behavior. Greene delves into how people adopt roles and masks in social interactions. He also discusses how to recognize and understand compulsive behaviors in ourselves and others. The Law of Covetousness. This law focuses on the human desire for what others possess and how it shapes behavior. Greene provides strategies for recognizing and mitigating envy and jealousy. Part 3. Altering Behavior. The Law of Short-Sightedness. Greene discusses the human tendency to focus on the short term and the importance of developing a long-term perspective in both personal and professional life. The Law of Defensiveness. This section explores how people react defensively to perceived attacks and how understanding this can lead to more effective communication and conflict resolution. Part 4. Elevating the Self. The Law of Self-Sabotage. Greene examines how individuals often sabotage their own success and happiness. He offers advice on recognizing and overcoming self-destructive patterns. The Law of Repression. This law covers the aspects of our personality we repress and how they can surface unexpectedly. Greene highlights the importance of self-acceptance and authenticity. Part 5. Influencing Others. The Law of Envy. Greene discusses how to identify and manage envy in social and professional settings, turning potential negative interactions into positive outcomes. The Law of Conformity. The book explores the human inclination to conform and the power of being able to think independently and creatively. Part 6. The Higher Self. The Law of Fickleness. This section deals with the unpredictable nature of people's attitudes and opinions, emphasizing the need for flexibility and adaptability. The Law of Generational Myopia. Greene reflects on the importance of understanding generational differences and perspectives in human interactions. Part 7. Mastery of Human Nature. The Law of Death Denial. Greene concludes with a discussion on the human tendency to deny the reality of death and how an acceptance of mortality can enrich our understanding of life and human nature. As we conclude our comprehensive journey through the laws of human nature, we are equipped with a deeper understanding of the psychological forces that shape our behavior and interactions. Robert Greene's insightful analysis provides valuable lessons in empathy, self-awareness, and social dynamics. Thank you for joining WealthWise Summaries. If you're inspired to deepen your understanding of human nature and improve your interpersonal skills, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more content that enlightens and empowers your personal and professional life.